Ooh, yummy. Hola, pa. I need to wake up. Good morning. It is April 13th. Today is going to be a day in my life as a mom of two. So let's go through my momming day. While Jocelyn's still sleeping, I'm just editing the video that comes out before this.
Hi guys, so we're back home. I'm with my niece Kendra. I'm so excited. Got one little background there.
Good morning, my lover. Did you sleep good? Let's wash off the face. Wash my eyes. Right there. Oh, hello. Since Jocelyn only has like 2 teeth, Jose and I got her this little scrubber. If you don't feel comfortable using any amount of fluoride toothpaste on her yet, just because she only has 2 teeth. So we feel that if we at least maintain her gums and her teeth this way, then it should prevent acne. Are you hungry? You are hungry, huh, my love? Okay, let's get you something to eat. Yeah, we gotta hydrate. I'm eating last night's dinner. I made some panko crusted salmon with ginger, garlic, and teriyaki butter, and hidden under all my rice, I made some ginger and garlic sauteed green beans. I have a lot of rice because she likes to eat some of my rice, and I gave her some of her banana puffs, and I tore off a couple pieces of this Nature's Bakery Fig Bar and the blueberry flavor. So she's just eating that. I'm not gonna give you the camera, silly. This apartment is absolutely a mess. It's absolutely a mess. Oh my god. It's so bad. Yeah, I need to clean, like, ASAP. time. I just put Jocelyn down for a nap. I finally was able to get my coffee. Now I need to clean up this mess of a kitchen. I have a clean house, I have a clear mind. Because when it's messy, like, I get super overwhelmed. So let's start cleaning up. I don't know if you guys saw in the last vlog, my sister's girlfriend asked me to be one of her bridesmaids in their wedding. And they got me this cup. It's so cute. And it's like engraved, it's not even a sticker. And then also in my last vlog, Jose and I went, oh. Hi Mom.
This is the tax place.
Uh-huh.
Is it this one that's on the outside or the one on the inside?
Oh, no, it should be that one.
Okay.
Okay, bye. And I got Jocelyn some new toys because she always grabs our remote. So I found these little silicone toys that bend, and it has these ridges because she's teething too. These buttons don't actually click, but it just looks like an actual remote. pick up Jade. So you played Legos with your friends today and you colored?
That's all.
Yes, skirt. Now I need to figure out this situation.
Oh, booyah!
Whoa.
What happened? Just the poppets, Mommy.
Okay. It's not clear like I want it to be, but it will do for now. I need to finish the mess that Jocelyn made this morning. So we're making the girls lunch. I'm gonna make Jocelyn some soup. I don't exactly know what kind of pasta it is. They're like in the shape of little balls. And then Jade requested for this pasta. She likes some seasoned buttered noodles. For Jocelyn's soup, I'm gonna cut up some vegetables really small so then they'll cook very well. Okay, my love, I will come in just a second. Alright, I added some broccoli to her soup, and then I'm going to add the pasta in once the broccoli is basically almost like sport tender. So while Jocelyn's soup is finishing, I'm gonna try to finish the video that's supposed to come out before this one. I'm super stressed out right now, honestly, because we sent out Jose's passport last week, and I paid for the 2-day priority shipping, and it's supposed to be sent to Pennsylvania, and the last known location shows only in Pleasanton 3 days ago on the 10th. But USPS has absolutely no updates on its whereabouts, and I paid for the tracking ID and everything. So I'm really hoping that it gets there today. All right, let's finish editing this. Let's get one thing off my plate at a time, because that's all we can do at the moment.
Can I watch with you, Mama?
I'm just editing right now, my baby. Oh, do you need a napkin?
Yeah. Mama, say hi to my vlog.
Jade has something to say.
Say hi to my vlog.
Why are you putting my tripod like that?
Mommy, here's your phone. Here's your phone. Here's your phone. Somebody's calling you.
Oh, hey, no! Oh, no, it's not for Jade. Okay, this is for me. That is my chair.
Well, I'm on it, so it's mine now.
This one fell asleep. This one woke up. You're so cute. You're so cute. Are you hungry? You want some food? Hi. So, Jade requested to go with her cousins to the park. So, my mother-in-law and my father-in-law picked her up, and Jocelyn. And yeah, I'm just home alone right now, so I'm gonna take full advantage of that. Hi, love. I'm warming up our dinner. My sister-in-law made birria, and the way that we've been really liking it lately is that we put the caldo and the meat inside of one of these tapatio ramen noodle soups, and that shit's fire. Rafa.